Well, they said it was a fixer-upper, but I didn't know that half the house was gone.
Half the house? Is that there's nothing left?
Okay, as I didn't give you all the details, so here's what happened. An investor bought it a few months ago, started the rehab, went to the city, got the permit, started the construction, ran out of money.
Ew.
So we're here to take it over if we want it.
Makes more sense.
Here's the caveat. Everything is approved with the city. If we start changing the plans, it's gonna put us back months. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 1,700 square foot house. Seller's asking $850. The comp's $1.3 million.
Okay. So I guess we're walking into like a family room?
Why did they save the foundation, which is like 900 years old, rip off the roof and rebuild walls?
I don't know.
Well, I don't think this is how you...
What? Looks like we're in a bathroom.
Those are plans for the house. So this area we're standing in right now is 2 bathrooms, so a wall's gonna go here. We have 1 full bathroom on this side, 1 full bathroom on this side.
Right.
So the door right here, this would be a shower over there, bathtub over there. That's why they already have the plumbing over there. I know why they ripped off the roof.
Why?
They have vaulted ceilings. The plans for this house seem pretty modern. They've created a large open kitchen, dining room, and living room up front. I also like that there's a secondary living space and a large private bath off the primary bedroom. Oh, this is gonna be way better. So the kitchen island was right there. This is a living room. We're planning on doing vaulted ceilings here, which would actually look really, really nice. So you remember that big room we were in? This would be a bathroom on this side. This used to be the kitchen.
But this is now gonna be the family room.
This could be a kids area, video game zone, right?
Yeah. I believe this is probably the primary bedroom because it has access to go outside.
No, in the plans, the primary, I think, was that one.
Okay.
This is the primary.
Oh, yeah.
I hate the windows. They're newer.
Yeah, that is unfortunate.
See, this bathroom is wrong. In the plans, I'm pretty sure this was all 1 bathroom.
Right, yes. So they haven't started all that kind of work yet.
So if we bought the house, the approved plans would mean all these walls would be gone. We'd have 1 big bathroom and 1 big closet.
Yeah, no, that makes a lot more sense. The bathrooms would be massive.
So this would be the 3rd bedroom.
Nice.
This is gonna be walled off.
Right.
On this side is gonna be the bathroom for the primary.
Right, in the closet, yeah.
And that's where we were just standing, right behind you.
Yes, because this will be the entrance to the bathroom, and then they have the closet.
You know what? I don't think I would even want to change the plans. What do you think?
I agree. I think it makes sense.
The new layout of bathrooms in this house seems ideal for buyers. 2 of the bedrooms will each have their own private bathroom, and there's another full bathroom off the living room.
Yeah, let's go look in the backyard.
This whole thing's a hot mess. Look at, there's no gate, there's no privacy. It's like chicken wire. It's a little odd.
It doesn't even have a garage. I don't know. Tim said he'll be here any minute, so we'll just see what he says. What's up, Tim?
Hey, guys.
Hi.
Hi.
Well, this is the house.
Okay.
An investor bought the house, he started the project, and we would just be coming in and finishing the house. We don't want to change the layout, we don't want to change the plans, because he has the plans approved.
The plans are actually right through that little door on the left.
Okay.
And welcome home.
Okay.
It's kind of a funky look from the outside, huh?
Yeah, you think?
I mean, we have bought a ton of fixer-uppers, but we've never bought a house that looked like that. Like, I don't ever remember walking through a front door and looking at the sky.
Okay, guys.
What are you thinking about the house?
So far, what I've seen is they've built to the plans.
Okay.
So we can continue on moving forward.
Cost-wise, I know, like, you just walked it. What are you thinking?
I think we're looking at about 160.
Does that include any exterior work?
No, not the exterior work.
Okay, so the inside of the house and the structure, 160.
160.
All right, I'll let you know,
Okay.
Tim. I'll give you a call. Thanks
you.
for coming out,
Okay.
man.
Thanks.
Okay, well, let's work the numbers. Let's just say we paid $850, we put $160,000 in the remodel. So after some back and forth, we got the deal at $780,000, and the first thing we gotta do is put a roof on the house. Well, let's see it.
I mean, it's coming along. Looks better than before.
It does look better than
I
before.
think there's actually a roof.
Oh, this looks great. All right, what's up, Jeff?
What's going on, guys?
I'm liking it.
Yeah, the vaulted ceilings look awesome.
We've got everything set up pretty much how the plans show. So the back wall here has cabinets coming across. We've got a stove in the center, more cabinets going down.
All the way?
No, you guys have a dining room that's over there.
Oh, I remember that. Okay, right
So
here.
that way you can have a nice big 7-foot island
Nice. Okay, I
here with
love
our
that.
sink.
Perfect. Actually, that's the best layout there is.
I do have some bad news for you, though. We're doing everything we can, but I really don't think I'm gonna be able to salvage these floors, man. What I really need to do is rip out the subfloor, and I have to insulate the entire underneath of the house.
What's that gonna run?
About 3,000 or 4,000 in resheeting the house, and then I'm gonna be a couple thousand more in insulating the house.
So we're looking at 7,000 for new flooring and to insulate the floor.
Got it.
God, it looks good in here.
I know.
Yo, those lights.
Look at that roof pitch.
Wow. Feels like a normal house now.
Yeah, the kitchen's gonna be amazing. I brought you some black cabinets.
Okay, good.
So check this out. We got like the Hollywood glam vibe going.
All day.
We need to do a really nice hood. I'm thinking more of like a glam vibe, so maybe like a black.
Well, don't you think that's too much black? Black hood, black cabinets?
No, because I'm thinking that we'll incorporate a little bit of the like brassy gold vibe.
Okay, fine.
So, okay, we're looking at probably an extra
But
like
with
five.
this, like I said, with this house, if we nail the design here, we're gonna get a huge return. I mean, that's it.
Look at it. We nailed it. All right, come on in.
Yes. Look at the size of the shower.
I know, it's huge, huh? Okay. These materials
what?
go along the
sold.
the same theme, like the Hollywood glam vibe. So black cabinets. I love this like matte marble flooring. Marble counters, keep it classy. We've got the brass pull handles and the wow factor.
Oh, that is cool. I think this is gonna come out to be one of my favorite houses ever.
So we do this just in here, save money on the other bathrooms, and do the full shower walls in this.
Okay, I have an idea. I don't know if it's gonna work, but what if we did a gold grout with the smaller tile?
I think that could look amazing.
Gold grout.
Gold
All right, there's a
grout.
first for everything. Okay.
All right, cool.
All right. This backyard's a mess. I don't even know where to start.
What do you want to do about the concrete?
Got all the pavers, and then from the back of the house, we can pour concrete. We can do a nice, like, long, modern fire pit. We could build out a deck, too, maybe.
What are we looking at cost-wise?
I think you guys are looking about 15 total.
All right, I'm down with it. I think that'll look nice. Oh, look at that island, Jeff.
What's going on, you guys?
Wow, it looks really good in here. By the way, you guys are jamming.
Is there anything else that you guys want to do in here that I need to know about?
I do have an idea. So you like the flooring, right?
Love it.
Why don't we build some beams that match the flooring and run it on the ceiling? We can do one right here and then one on the other side of the room.
I like that idea. That'll really accentuate like the high ceilings and everything. And I think when you walk in, that'll make everything pop.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay.
So what are we gonna do about the front yard here? For sure, we have to add concrete over here on the sides of the door. Like
A
this.
nice porch will look super cute.
We're gonna do a porch here. We can just from this side all the way to the other side.
Yep. That, and there's one more thing I think we definitely need.
Huh.
A better front door. Something more modern, some wood and
Okay.
glass.
Okay, so everything, I think you guys are looking 6 or 7 grand.
Well, we definitely have to do all those things. It's not an option. We definitely need a patio, and the front door is very much lacking.
All right, Jeff, make it pretty.
See you guys.
How's it looking?
What's going on, you guys?
Oh, look at the backsplash.
Oh my gosh, so glam.
Love these cabinets. The black came out awesome.
Super pretty.
Okay, so last time we were here, we said we were gonna put a beam right in this area, right?
Yeah.
And then kind of match it in the living room, kind of up there, right?
Right.
So now that like the island's in and the house is coming together, I feel like we need something in the middle because it's just so plain.
So you're saying you want a beam to run this way now?
Yeah.
Let's go a long way. I like that.
Add some character.
Okay.
All right, I think it'll look good.
Ooh la la.
Look at that gold. Wow, fancy. Look at that.
Jeff, how do you feel about the gold?
I'm still trying to get past this gold, dude.
Oh, you don't like the gold? Jeff doesn't like the gold?
Not at all.
Do you think Jeff's a Hollywood glam
Look at
type
him,
guy?
guys, so we've got the deck all finished up.
Oh, this came out great.
It's huge.
Super cute, huh?
We're fancy. Remember what this place used to look like?
Yes, I do.
It didn't even have a roof. It's come a long way. It kind of has like a bit of like a modern craftsman vibe.
It does.
I'm so glad that we did this porch area. Looks super cute.
Look at this front door, too.
Looks amazing.
Dun, dun, dun.
Is this $1 million house? Oh, looks beautiful.
Oh my gosh, and look at, you're not looking at the sky anymore. Man, what a difference.
Wow.
Is this or is this not one of our 5 best flips?
It really is. It's all the little details. It definitely has this like really cool like Hollywood glam vibe. That hood was key.
The island's gorgeous.
Yep.
I love the color scheme. I even love these faux beams we added.
Look at this like massive hallway. Everything's so grand.
The golden grout.
The gold grout looks incredible.
That looks nice. Look at that. It is cool.
All right, so bedroom number 1.
It's a good sized bedroom too.
And I like the privacy, but that's a huge shower for a guest room. So I love how the stagers set this up as like a cute art area.
It is cute. It is cute.
All right, bedroom number 2.
This is a good sized bedroom. All right, let's see that primary.
Oh, this room looks incredible. Look at that deck, the slider. This shower looks amazing.
You have the gold tile, you have the gold lights, you have the gold mirrors, you have the gold hardware.
We did a really good job here of making the whole house flow really nicely without making it look exactly the same. I know this deck was expensive, but wow. This seriously transforms the whole entire yard.
I can't believe this is the same house.
It feels like a boutique hotel.
Do you see the fire pit right here?
The house looks incredible.
Yeah, we need to figure out what we want to list it at. Let's start with the numbers. When we bought the house from the investor, we paid $780,000. We did a major remodel. We spent a little bit over $215,000. After closing costs and commission, our break even is right above $1,050,000. Well, remember when we first bought the house, I was hoping we would sell maybe 1.3. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I think there's a chance we could sell for more than that. There's no inventory. Everything's in escrow, and we have 2 really, really good comps. One is on the same street. It's, I think, 400 square foot smaller, just sold at 1.2 million. We have another comp just sold 1,415,000, similar to our house, not as nice, but it's on a better street. So I think we can come in at 1,399,000.
Who would have thought this would be a $1.4 million house? Speaking of which, I think our corn guy is back.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh, it's corn time. After only a few weeks on the market, we accepted an offer of $1,350,000. If this deal goes through, we stand to make a profit of almost $300,000.